Hey there, iPhone friends. Wondering if someone else is secretly logged into your Instagram? Let's find out. Fast and easy. First, grab your iPhone and open up Instagram. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to head to your profile. Now, in the top right, you'll see three little lines. Go ahead and tap those. From the menu, choose Settings and Activity. At the very top, you'll spot Account Center. Tap on that. Next, look for Password and Security, and give that a tap. Scroll down and hit where you're logged in. Here comes the magic. You'll see a list of all the devices currently logged into your Instagram account. The device you're using right now will usually show up as this device right at the top. Look closely at any other devices and their locations. Does something look off? Maybe a city you've never visited or a phone you don't recognize? Don't panic. To kick out any suspicious logins, just tap Select Devices to log out. Check the box next to the device you don't recognize and hit Log Out. That's it. You've just taken a big step in keeping your Instagram safe. Pro tip: always use a strong password and turn on two-factor authentication for that extra layer of security. So, the next time you wonder, is someone snooping around my Insta? You'll know exactly where to check and how to lock things down. Stay safe, and don't forget to share this tip with your friends.